Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering and prepping the earphones. This matters because battery and range affect pairing reliability. First, charge both buds and the case to at least 50%. This prevents abrupt disconnects. Next, open the case or press the power button for 2-3 seconds until the LED flashes. This signals pairing mode. Then, make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone or laptop, and keep the devices within 1 to 3 meters so discovery happens quickly and without interference. Once the earphones appear on your device, tap the listed name to pair. You do this because many phones auto-block unknown connections until you confirm. If a PIN prompt appears, enter 0000 or 1234, then accept. Most modern models skip this step. After pairing, go into Bluetooth settings to choose a preferred codec or microphone profile. This improves call clarity or audio latency. Make sure media audio and phone audio are enabled. You now finalize use by testing both audio and microphone with a short clip and a brief test call. This confirms levels and channel balance. If you plan to use one bud, switch to single ear mode. Make sure the companion bud reconnects for stereo. If you hit problems, dropouts, no sound, or mic failure, reset the earphones using the manufacturer method, restart your device, and clear the Bluetooth cache. Doing those steps often resolves lingering pairing or profile conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.